everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we did a look with a palette I heard a lot about when I, over my years of watching YouTube, and when I went to try and buy it before, it was sold out and couldn't get it. So you can see Butsy back there. He's being bad. So it's the Vegas Lights palette, and yeah, I think you should watch this video and see what I really think about it, because just see what you think. You tell me what you think of it. I may have been a little, I don't know. We'll save the surprise for the end. Thanks, guys. Hey, everybody. So we are going to do a quick look with a little palette that I picked up on sale from the Makeup Geek. It is the Vegas Lights palette. I've been trying for a long time to get this palette, and when I saw it, I was like, it's on sale, let me try it. So this is what it looks like. I don't have any of these in my collection right now, so even better, right? Right. Yeah. I'm going to try and do my mirror and be able to see you. I am trying to upload more videos. I have just been, it's been a heck of a, summer. I feel like it's been a heck of a year for us. It's just been crappy. Look, I'm looking around to see if the mirror is in the view of the camera. Okay. So this is the palette here, and what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use the Bada Bing Desert Sands and this right here. So these two and this one, and see what we can come up with. Okay. So yeah, I just have not, I can't get into filming. I don't know what is wrong with me. It's been absolutely horrid. Those of you who watch me and follow me on social media know that I lost my in-laws, and we are still just dead in the middle of all of that. So it's losing someone is never easy. Having lost both of my in-laws within a week of each other was horrid. And we are just, like I said, the way the estates work in Virginia, and how you have to do one thing before you do the other, depending on who died first. I mean, it's horrible. If you have not done it and you have children, do a will. Matt's parents were not. It's so loud outside, which is unusual. Matt's parents had not done an updated will in many years, so you got to do it. You got to stay updated. It caused me and my husband to even go do one. I know we don't have children, but somebody would have to take care of our affairs and all of that. So, yeah. So that is the Bada Bing. I think I'm going to put the Desert Sand on the inner part of my eye here. And this is the Desert Sand. It's another matte color. So I woke up this morning and it was like cool outside. And then the sun never came out, which means it stayed cool. And I was like, yes, fall is coming. I mean, I love summer, don't get me wrong, but damn, it was hot this summer. It was hot. Butsy's roaming around and pouting, by the way. Monkey's out too. Yeah, so if you do follow me on social media, you will know that Monkey's not been well. So when I blended it, I have to tap it on my eye. It's weird to get any color out of it. Otherwise, I'm blending it away, which may not be a big deal by the time I get done. I'm gonna kind of just smooth out that upper edge with this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like going backwards today. Yeah, I'm really into this casino. So yeah, I was like, hell yeah, it's nice and cool out. I'll get some work done. So I've been doing a lot of stuff around the house and why is there all this noise out on the road? I think like everybody's on their bike because it's nice out. So I did a lot of stuff around here early this morning. It was just me and the little pups. My husband was passed out, asleep. And this is not working the way I want it to. How about that? My husband was passed asleep in the bed. And me and my pups we kind of turned on a little music and went to town in the house. This is not, I don't know what this is, but it is not doing what my other Makeup Geek eyeshadows do. And you guys know, I can pretty much make anything work. I wonder if I have to go on with my finger. See when I go on with my finger how bright it is? Yeah, that's what I have to do. My finger. I don't know why, but that's what works for me. I'm rambling today. So tired. So I am going to meet some friends tomorrow for brunch in Richmond. I love going to Richmond for brunch because they have some yummy restaurants. And who doesn't like brunch, right? I don't know how I'm going to do that on no carb, low carb. We might have to pretend it's over or on a little vacation. And so don't sit in there and pout. You know what you did. And so he's pouting in his crate because he ripped up carpet and he got put back in there. I swear to God, he's going to eat away to China. And we were like well on our way to doing some things around the house. And now we're trying to decide if we're going to stay here or are we going to, if we do stay, we're going to remodel. And all of that hinges on, everything that's in, I guess, considered escrow. Betsy, are you into something you shouldn't be in? It sounds like you're in the laundry room. I don't think you're supposed to be in there. He's being a little pistol. He's not coming either, which means he's in there. Betsy! Do you want everybody to see you get a spanking on television? Come here. Come here. Come here and be nice. Be nice. You love your mama? Do you love your mama? You like Dolly? Huh? No. That's not for you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. That was very nice. Can you say hi to everybody? Everybody's been looking for you. I know they have, because they ask me all the time, where's Betsy? Where's Pickle? What have you been in there doing? I know you were doing something you weren't supposed to do. What's in there? He probably had his head in the food. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. A lot of fallout. I can see that on my face. Just not a good look. I wonder when it was like redone. Like, is this like a stinking old palette and they've just had it on the shelf or some stuff? Interestingly, it does not have a date on it. Makeup Geek. And my foundation is balling up over here. Oh my God, falling apart today. So anyhow, we got up today. We started cleaning, started going through clothes. I gave away so many clothes. I gotta stop. I have to stop. I'm addicted to shopping for clothes. And And I wear them. I love them. Can't wear them all. So I donated them to the vet's little, this is the Kat Von D Lightning, or no, Thunderstruck, I think. Yes, Thunderstruck. For an inner corner here that may just clean up this look. It doesn't really look like it. So I donated it to the vets, where it's a thrift store. Do you know what you're doing, Susan? Like, I love to give to places that sell clothes. It's like a thrift store. Goodwill, all those places, because I grew up going to the Goodwill, and I loved it. My favorite thing was to find things with the tags on it. Super excited. Super. So I've been playing with this Big Ego mascara. It's just not doing it for me. I think that I'm being very particular about mascara because of I've been wearing lashes like to work and stuff, and it ain't doing it. So what in the world just happened? I have no idea what happened, but something just happened. See? You just can absolutely not see it. So after I did all that work here, and I took the clothes to the Goodwill, and I went to the post office to pick up more clothes. Not a lot. Then I quickly went and got my nails done. And I got my car washed. I did all that stuff, you just never get around to doing. And then because it was a nice little day out, I'm like, why not, right? Why not go and get my car cleaned and all that stuff? See, that mascara has got to go. It's just not. Where do I store shit that doesn't work for me? Butsy's trying to lay behind me like he's good. Like, I didn't do it, Mom. Little turd. He's a turd. Oh, then my computer acted up and lost a ton of footage. I'm just like, I'm gonna go ahead and probably do another what's in the mail, because I did do that like last weekend, and of course I was trying on everything, took pictures, all this stuff, but it's gone. What's the matter, boy? So yeah, okay, it's all right. It's all right. Let's see. Nobody wants to hear that. Please be quiet. Okay, this is my Marc Jacobs in hot cocoa. I just picked this up at my TJ Maxx a couple weeks ago. Alright, so I'm having this lipstick thing. I don't know what to do about it. I am like stuck on, there's one lipstick that stays in my purse. It's Fresh Brew from MAC. That's just it for me, right? And every time I put something on at home, it's not working for me. I don't know what the problem is, but it's frustrating. Every now and then, I really consider dumping my entire drawer and sending it to Nona. I know you would love that, Nona. I really need to do a lipstick declutter. Figure out what I'm going to wear and what I don't. And what's interesting is what works, my MAC. This is like a MAC cream. Those work. My MAC Retro, the liquid. And I have a few others. Like I've got my Fenty lip gloss, like the very first one is in my purse. But everything else, like I put it on, it's like blah. And this drawer is full of them. I swear, I don't know what my problem is. Oh, when I do my dose of colors. Oh my god, I'm so enjoying my dose of colors, like lip glosses and stuff. So, yes, my foundation is breaking up. I don't know if you can see, but it looks like shit. So I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna play around with this eyeshadow palette. I think that it's okay. It's an alright look, but is it for me? I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. Yes, we will. Alright, everybody. And it could be because like my brows are like, you know, are you kidding me? I'm gonna do something with them. I swear I'm getting microbladed. Alright, well, my necklaces. My hairs. I gotta get my hair colored. What should we go with? I'm thinking Fire Engine Red again for the fall. But I don't know. Me and Jessie will work it out. Alright, so this is the Makeup Geek palette. I wouldn't run out and spend your money right now. I have a bunch of her singles. Love the singles. But every palette I have ever bought from Makeup Geek, I've given away. I should have known that when I bought the one that I just bought. Actually, I bought two. And one of them was like one of the minis from Target, which was cool because I hadn't seen those yet. I mean, my Target doesn't have them, trust me. And, but I had every single shadow and the color in my individual. So I was like, I'm just not keeping that. I'm going to put it in the giveaway. So the giveaway is where it went. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. I love you so much.